guys, I'm Kristen Kwok and welcome to my channel Spiceshhh. I love to cook and I love to show you my own take on original recipes that people know and love. Let's get Spiceshhh! I'm not a pro chef, but I'm an avid lover of spice and a food enthusiast who loves to cook. The majority of time, I cook from scratch and name the food. I don't use measurements and instead cook through feelings and add my own personal flair. When I go out to eat and taste something yummy, I go home and attempt to make it myself. There's no measuring or rules to my cooking, only speedy, delicious, and easy recipes that will make you say Spiceshhh. Thank you so much, and please subscribe with a bell for more easy, spicy recipes. Thank you.